Okay, we'll start with the Mustard C53S long curved terrestrial hook. I've got sheer 40-0 yellow. We just start here and we just want a short foundation, a tying thread just to about there. Then a strip of yellow foam. This is about 5mm wide. I'm using wing burners here instead of wing cutters. I don't have the wing cutters for this, but you just burn down the edges and then you get a nice body shape like that. So we measure our body for how long we want it, and we just make a little mark with the hook eye, and then we take a dubbing needle and we make a hole central like so, and we place that over, and then we lift and just put a little pressure on the foam so we know where the next hole is going to go, and we make another hole with the dubbing needle there, and then we can just see that this is correct. That's good. So I'll just put 2 or 3 tight turns there, and then before we tie that down we want just a drop of super glue, and we push our foam over to form the head, and then we'll go position it. That's good. We take our scissors and cut that off as so. We turn this way and trim the head down to an angle. Same on that side. Excellent, that's all looking good. And we take a little bunch of parapost, sorry, and we can just go in here. Don't worry about it flaring up like that. A couple more turns again. Then we can trim that off right there. Excellent. Then what I've done here is a dyed yellow partridge hackle that I've just given a super fine coat of UV resin. Need to trim that wing down a little bit. We'll just pull that up, trim it off there. Take our partridge hackle. Let's make sure it's right there. And we can come over. Position it. Good. That's nice. We can trim off that. Like so. Then I've done the same with the wing burners again, but on a piece of white foam. This is your sight indicator, not really necessary on such a bright yellow hopper, but we just put that on the top like that. Spin our tying thread anti-clockwise so it's flat, doesn't cut through this foam. Couple of times round, tighten up. Just make sure it's central. Not quite central, that. That's good. Yep. 2 or 3 times, 4. Then we can come up here and trim that off again there. Good. Then what we need is some green rubber legs, and you want to strip off 2 strips of 2. And what we do is we take each strip and tie a knot in it to form the legs. So we take the first legs, position them, that's good. Second legs, and position them, all looking good. Yeah, whip finisher, oops, don't want to tie that in, tighten that up, I'll give it one more, tighten up and remove the tying thread. And what we want to do is split the back legs, but don't come all the way up to the knot. We just cut that off there. Same on the other side. Oops, like so. And we can cut these 2 to length, take hold of them both. That'll do us. Now if you want, you have 2 alternatives here, or 3 alternatives. You can leave the front legs like this, but there's little more movement in them if they're single. So you can open them up and leave them double, like so, or you can trim them off like that. And take our glue, and I don't apply this with the bottle, apply it with a needle so it's just a little bit more precise. On there, on there, there, and there, and then a drop on the knee, and a drop on the knee. And that's it, that's the finished foam hopper. You can of course tie them in any colours you want. If you enjoyed the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.